Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is HBAR Coin or Hedera Coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. So you can see support resistance trend line. This is support and this is the resistance. So previously you can see candle started from resistance, came down support, again went up, fall, again went up. Now continuously the candles are falling. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and once the candle comes down support level and gives a breakout, then candles may start moving in a upward direction towards the resistance, that is around 0.4434. okay, and then fall may take place. So if you go to weekly chart also, you can see candles are falling continuously. So if you draw the trend line, so you can see this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So you can see within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and you can see that, and almost the candles have given a breakout. So you can see candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is support and this is resistance. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving, and the candles are falling continuously in this channel pattern. Okay, so if you go to this daily chart, you can see after the candles went up, then fall happened, okay, and now candles may start moving in a upward direction. So if you draw the trend line, okay, you can see this is the downtrend. Previously the candles were falling, okay, so this is the support resistance trend line. Candles were falling, now it has given a breakout. Now candles have started moving in a upward direction. So this is the support and resistance trend line, okay, so this is the support, okay, and this is the resistance, okay. So you can see currently the candles are falling, and as the candle come down to support level, okay, then it may start moving. After it falls to support, after the breakout, it may go up. So like this, we move in this channel pattern, okay, and after hitting this resistance trend line, the candles may fall to support, again may go fall, like this may move, and finally after the breakout the candles may start moving towards this resistance level, and then fall may take place. Okay, so currently you can see the downtrend is going on, and after the breakout only you may see a momentum. So now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see current price is $0.9006. it is down by 1%. Rank is around 26. Around 81k users are following this cryptocurrency. 811k. okay, market cap is 3.9 billion. Volume 24 hours is 83 million, and total supply is 50 billion and maximum supply is 50 billion. Okay, so now I'll go to the chart and make sure to have a stop loss. Suppose if you after the breakout, if you have open position here, you should have a stop loss below this support line. If the price goes up, you make profit. In case if it reverses, you can exit with the help of a small stop loss. Okay, so you can see very clearly after the fall the breakout may take place, and then candles may start moving in upward direction or it may fall. Okay, so previously also you can see candles were falling, and after the breakout it has gone up. Now fall is taking place after the breakout. Again the candles may move towards this resistance level. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only. No financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.